guys, it's Florence.
And Hetty here.
And welcome to Horse Family. Today it's raining, you probably can't tell, but it is raining. And we've got our jumpers and jeans on, and she's got a coat on because it is really cold today. So we're going to do a rainy day with the horses. So the first thing we need to do is go and soak Freddie's tea. We're going to be using hot water because we're not going to be...
It just makes it quicker to soak.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do now. Guys, we just added water to the bucket. We didn't film it because we forgot, but I'll add a photo in now. So that's what it looks like, and now
we're going to go and see how much buckets the horses need for the water. So let's go!
So guys, we walked up to the field and the horses just stood there. They looked really bored as it was raining, and Jasper was covered in mud and looked really disgusted, and he did need a brush, but we couldn't bring them in as there was lots of work on the farm at the minute, so he was just stood there looking very miserable. Guys, so we just filled up the buckets. You might be thinking, well, why are you in the field? Because again, we forgot to film it. We keep forgetting to film it because it's really busy on the farm today. They're getting ready for the pig, so everything's like, on.
And we've got to do a lot more stuff, and we just like get our heads full with other stuff, so we just forget to film.
Yeah, so we totally forgot to fill it up, but we've got the 2 buckets here and they're filled with water, and the horses are just back there, so we've just got to carry the buckets up there. So that's what we're going to do now.
Guys, now we've just put the buckets down in Jasper and Mickey's field, and now we're just going to go walk back to the stables,
and we're going to get Mickey's powder and 3 carrots for all 3 horses.
Let's go.
Guys, we just given the horses the carrots.
And now we're going to go back to the stables and make Freddie's tea.
So let's go. We've given Freddie's tea, and that is it for our video. I really hope you enjoyed. Give like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time the Horse Family posts.
Also comment down below what we can improve and what we can do next time.
Bye guys.